What's up, guys? SaltySalads here, and we're here with our first prank. We're doing, Pokemon Go has been trending lately, and we thought there's gonna be a lot of like kidnaps and like crazy stuff happening with this game. So we wanted to put it to the test, and we're actually gonna go to a Pokestop, see if there are kids around, and try to kidnap them. So enjoy the video. Yo, look at this kid! Look at this kid! I bet you he's playing Pokemon. Yo. Are you playing Pokemon Go?
What's up?
You're playing?
I am playing. What's up?
Yeah, I seen the Pokestop. I was like, there has to be someone here. I seen the lure here too. Yeah, we're traveling around town and we're just like catching Pokemon.
Yeah.
I'm like a level 13. I'm nasty at this game.
Oh, shit.
Do you want to like hop in? We can travel around town.
It's cool, man. My parents really don't tell me to get in
Dude, it's fine.
Dude, it's not really the right thing to do.
You want me to show you my I'm not even joking.
Nah, it's cool, man. I'll just go. It's fine.
Dude, come. I'll show you real quick.
What kind of Pokemon you got?
Vaporeon and a Magmar.
I already heard that shit. Let me see it.
All right, look.
I'm gonna hop in.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like you just hop in, and you get mad Pokemon.
Alright, let's do it. Alright.
Yeah, just make yourself at home. Yo, are you playing Pokemon Go? Yeah, I seen the Pokestop around here. We're actually catching like Pokemon all around town and stuff. Do you wanna hop in? Yeah. What level are you?
12.
Oh, great. You got any eggs hatching? Yeah, you could just like jump into the back. Yeah, you could just like jump into the back. Yeah. Yeah, look, there's 2 kids, 1 short. Yeah, this bull's short as hell. Yo, you guys playing Pokemon Go? I seen the lure down here. The lure? I seen the lure module.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys want to go like catch Pokemon? We're going like all around town and stuff.
Parents are not to get you.
What?
Would you?
Yeah, I have me and my friend here.
Sure? Yeah, fine.
Alright, yeah, I got you. Yeah, just like make yourself at home. Go, go. Go.
Wait, what?
Go.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Yeah, we got him.
What are you guys doing?
We got him. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this prank. This is just a possibility that you might have with your kids, and they might get kidnapped. I don't know. Pokemon Go is very scary. Special thanks to my friends that are still playing. But yeah, if you guys like the first video of this channel, please like it, comment, and subscribe. Just give us feedback on this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and comment. Give us feedback on it. This video goes out to all the fake pranksters out there. JoeySalads, Garden Salad, whatever the hell his name is. But yeah, you guys need to make a real prank. And yeah, catch you guys next time.